Hey everybody, this is Chris coming at you with his very first under 5 minute review. And we're going to talk about Jaws because today is Jaws' 50th anniversary hitting the big screen. And not only is it in most people's top 10 horror movies, it is in my top 10 cooperative games, which we'll definitely do a top 10 co-op game list. But for today, we're going to talk about Jaws, which is a 2 to 4 player, one versus many game brought to you by Ravensburger in 2019, where you and your friends take on the ultimate eating machine, Jaws. It is a 2-stage game where the first stage of the game, Jaws runs around in a hidden movement style game on Amity Island, where you play as either Brody, Hooper, or Quint, and you're trying to save the unsuspecting swimmers from being eaten by Jaws. The better you do in this stage helps you out on the next stage. The second stage, as long as you saved enough swimmers, you get some really cool power-ups and weapons to help you take on Jaws while you're on the Orca. So Jaws is now attacking you on the boat. You got to save yourself. Hopefully you have more things than just a net and a baseball bat. And you do that again by saving the swimmers in the first round. So interesting gameplay, 2 different mechanics. I really enjoy the fact that you start off doing one mechanic, which I do really love hidden movement games. And then I do love the end where you get to work as a team to try to figure out where Jaws is and try to, beat him up before he, eats you. So again, talking about how this was in my top 10 cooperative games, easily a 7.5 out of 10 for me. So why a 7.5 out of 10? So in the end, even though this has high replayability, it's still just a game that once you play it 20 or 30 times, you're going to probably get bored of it, but those 20 or 30 times are going to be amazing. And then as you bring it back slowly into rotation, you're going to fall in love with it again. I would love to see Ravensburger bring in a Jaws 2 or Revenge of Jaws upgrade for this. But in the end, Jaws the board game by Ravensburger is easily a 7.5 out of 10 for me. A must buy under $30, and definitely get this for yourself and run out and get the movie. Watch the movie, play the game, get some popcorn, make sure to clean those fingies off before you touch the pieces, and enjoy yourself some cooperative action adventure with Jaws the board game. See you on the next one.